How to unlock Facebook profile. Hey there, welcome to our channel. Have you logged your Facebook profile and now want to unlock it? If so, you are in the right place. Today I am going to guide you through the simple steps to unlock your Facebook profile. First things first, open Facebook application on your mobile device. At the top left corner, tap on the circle with your profile picture. Right here you can see on my profile it says you logged your profile. If you also want to lock your Facebook profile to ensure privacy and security on your account, then make sure to watch my tutorials shared in the card section and description. Let's initiate unlocking process. To unlock your profile, tap on the three horizontal dots to access profile settings. Then tap on unlock profile. Right here tap on unlock. Let's understand what actually happens when you unlock your profile. More people may see the photos, posts and stories on your profile. More people may see your full-sized profile picture and cover photo. You can share photos, posts and stories with anyone. Let's complete the unlocking process. Tap on unlock your profile and boom, you have successfully unlocked your Facebook profile. That's all for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.